hoedown continues for the most hardcore of hedonists. In the background, that's Sosa and The Wave, and preceding that, the Baby Blue remix of Byron Stingley's Testify. In the clubs tonight with me, Judge Jules, Essence in Nottingham, then rapidly back down the M1 to the gallery at Terminals, then tomorrow night, Miss Moneypenny's at Bonds in Birmingham's Jewellery Quarter, and then going on back to London for the Serious Party at the King's Cross Goodsway, London N1. Also tomorrow night, Danny Rampling between 7 and 9 p.m. has a winter music conference special including